What's the difference between a condo and a townhome? A lot of times we think of condos as high rises with many floors, long hallways, many doors, and that is a condo apartment building. But condos can apply to other types of buildings like row homes or townhomes, where you may see vertical structures that attach with one common wall, a party wall. And condos could also include what they call ranch style houses, meaning like your little home with a yard and a fence around it. That also can be called a condo. So the condo is defined by the definition of who owns the dirt. Does the community own the dirt, or does the individual own the dirt? As a quick guide, when you're sometimes looking at like a Redfin or Zillow, you may scroll down on the property and the location or the map. When you look at the map, you'll probably see like a parcel, like a square, like where is the fence line at? The parcel could be a large rectangle that includes many homes with no individual ownership. So that would be considered a condo. It has nothing to do with the architectural style or the look of the building. It has to do with a legal definition of who owns the dirt. So if you took that same example, row homes with common party walls, a group of them, and then they're sliced, or they have walls or lines separating the buildings, then that would be more of a HOA or homeowners association. So that means you still have some type of dues elements, but individuals are responsible for the property. So you would be responsible for mowing the grass, taking care of it, and maybe even some type of liability insurance. And oftentimes we see buyers, when they look online, they avoid selecting the word condo because they think that, well, I don't want to live in a high-rise building. I either want like a townhome or a single family home. But when they select condo, they may still see those other property types that they're looking for. They would just have an association fee. Condo association fees are typically a little bit higher. They are or responsible for the land and the things that happen on the land. So like a liability would be if somebody slipped and fell because the sidewalk was icy. So now this condo association is responsible for taking care of those sidewalks, salting, cleaning, mowing. So some of those expenses as a homeowner are deferred into the condo association with maintenance and with insurance dues. Whereas in an HOA, that means you own the dirt, you're mowing the grass, you're taking care of your sidewalk. Those HOA fees would be less per month, but then on the other side, you would have some maintenance and some other liability or insurance costs factor into your budget. So there's not a pro or a con, but don't make the mistake of unselecting condo, because you may miss out on some opportunities to look at homes that fit within your ranch style home or your townhome style, the architectural look of vertical structures. My name's Shawn. I'm doing classes with condo financing. If you're looking to purchase a property in Northern Virginia, in DC, and condo is something that you might be considering, let's talk about it. You need a professional on your side.